you better build a cyber command. You better start thinking in terms of offense and defense.
This is a room full of legends.
Because I firmly believe that we're at a pivotal time when we need to organize this together.
The world has this capability, and we are in a glass house more vulnerable than anybody else.
As you guys all know, the Warlocks project has been doing a lot of work to document the history, the early history of the hacking community, the interaction, law enforcement and government, a lot of the seminal moments in history.
November 96, Elias Levy, aka Aleph1, paged me on my pager, and he told me he had this cool idea for an article, and it was about buffer overflows. And I was like, cool, I think I know what those are.
The US was involved, and so there was this Olympic urinary competition inside the intelligence community about something as mundane as data at rest.
I never went after anyone who was just defacing or just doing things just for fun. I would only go after people who were actually villains. They were maliciously causing damage.
And so we looked at all this history and said, okay, we are going to see, as more things get connected, nation states start using this to take it down.
Great to talk about the history, but you know what? I'm still here. We don't give a shit anymore. We're just here doing good things because we want to do it.